how to change miles to kilometers in Google Maps or vice versa. So first you will need to go back to the home page, and then you will need to click on the settings by clicking on your profile logo, and then scroll down and click on settings. And then you will need to scroll down to see distance units under chat. Click on it, and currently it's set to automatic, but you can switch it to kilometers if you want to see the distances in kilometers. Otherwise you can switch it to miles if you want to see distances in miles. And you can also keep it to automatic. For automatic, it will basically automatically determine the distance unit for you based on your country. Now when you set this to whatever unit you want to use, and when you go back in here and try to search for a new address, you should see the distance in the appropriate unit. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.